The Charmer Sunbelt Group is one of the nation's leading distributors of fine wine and spirits. We employ 7,000 employees across 15 states, including the District of Columbia. We're a family-owned business, and we are the critical link between the suppliers who make the alcohol and the consumers who buy the alcohol. We use Wi-Fi for connecting to SAP on forklift-mounted computers, along with voice-directed picking. It's an absolutely mission-critical piece of our network because we would be unable to ship product without it. Some of the limitations we have with other vendors is the number of access points per controller, and a controller is a single point of failure for the entire wireless network. In planning for the future deployment of wireless networks, we found out that our previous vendor was not able to meet our requirements for our wireless networks. So we started shopping around. We looked at all vendors, and we found Aerohive was the best fit for what we needed. They were the first ones to show us a controllerless-based architecture to avoid the single point of failure in the wireless network. One of the major benefits of the Aerohive network is the ease of deployment. It saves us multiple trips to the offices to install the wireless network. We have a cabling vendor run the network cable based on the diagrams and hang the APs, and all the configuration is done centrally here at our location. Being a controllerless architecture, there is no single point of failure on my wireless network. I can lose an entire access point, and I still have plenty of coverage when the other APs boost their signal to take over the void. The wireless mesh technology within Aerohive has saved us thousands of dollars. There have been several instances where we have needed to run fiber to a location in a warehouse for one access point. With the wireless mesh technology, that is no longer needed. The Aerohive support has been great, from the local engineers to the central support. They're always very knowledgeable, always available, and always seem to care about my wireless networks. If you're considering a wireless network deployment, I highly recommend taking a look at Aerohive. From the ease of deployment to the cost savings to the customer support, they've been a great partnership for the Charmer Sunbelt Group.